Today I will discuss about the band combination of Landsat TM. Here I have downloaded one data, that is the entity ID is ETP139, 139 is path, and R41, that is the row, and that is the time date 5/11/1999, 1990. Now the acquisition date is 5th November 1990. Path is 139, row is 41, that is the Landsat data, and the sensor is the thematic mapper. From entity ID you can get whole this information, like that is P139, that is the path 139, R41, that is the row 41, and the date, acquisition date. Now I will discuss about the band and their combination in Landsat TM. Landsat TM data is associated to it, that is the Landsat thematic mapper TM sensor, associated with 7 band. The band 1 is visible blue, band 2 is visible green, band 3 is visible red, band 4 is near infrared, band 5 shortwave infrared 1, and band 6 the thermal infrared, and band 7 is the shortwave infrared 2. There is the wavelength, that is a visible wavelength is ranges between 0.45 micrometer to 0.52 micrometer, and the resolution is 30, and the visible green is 0.52 to 0.60 micrometer. Now visible red is 0.63 to 0.69, near infrared is 0.76 to 0.90, shortwave infrared that is 1.55 to 1.75, thermal infrared that is 10.40 to 12.50, and the shortwave infrared that is 2.08 to 2.35, and all other resolution as 30 meter, infrared thermal infrared resolution 120 meter. So now we'll go for band 1. Band 1 is very important and essential and very useful for the application, bathymetric of mapping, distinguishing soil from the vegetation, distinguishing deciduous forest from coniferous forest. And the visible green band, that is band 2 of Landsat TM, that is very useful to emphasize the peak vegetation, useful for assessing the plant vigor. The band 3 is useful to discriminate the vegetation slopes. And near infrared, that is the emphasize the biomass content and shoreline. Shortwave infrared, that is very important to discriminate the moisture content of the soil and vegetation and penetrate thin clouds. The thermal infrared, that is useful for thermal mapping and useful for the estimation of the soil moisture. And shortwave infrared, that is hydrothermally altered rocks associated with the mineral deposits. You can identify and map the hydrothermally altered rocks and associated minerals of deposits in the rocks or associated area. Now the band details here, that is the band 1. Band 1 is green, band 2 is already I told that, band 1 is blue, band 2 is green, band 3 is red, band 4 is near infrared, band 5 is shortwave infrared 1, band 6 is thermal infrared, and band 7 is shortwave infrared 2. Now I will discuss for the band combination. So there are two types, that is band combination. One is standard FCC or FCC, and second is the natural color. So I will go for first the standard FCC. How will made? If you pass channel 4, band 4 and band 3 and band 2 along this way, red band, green band, and blue band, blue channel, then you can get a standard FCC from the Landsat TM data. You need to pass the band 4, that is near infrared from the red channel, and that is the band 3 is that is the red from the green, and band 2 that is the green from the blue. Then you can get the standard for false color composite image. Standard false color image composite image, what will be happen? It will happen, the vegetation appears in shades of red. Different density or different intensity of vegetation appears in shades of red, different red. Urban areas are shown as the cyan and blue. Soils vary from the dark to light brown. Ice, snow, clouds are white and light cyan. Coniferous trees will appear darker red than the hardwoods. What are the application of the standard FCC? It is very useful in vegetation mapping, vegetation studies, and a monitoring of drainage, soil pattern, and various stages of the crop growth. Another important uses or application is that deep red hues and indicates the broadleaf and healthier vegetation. Lighter reds signify the grassland and sparsely vegetation areas. Densely populated urban areas are shown in the light blue. Now I will discuss about the true color. What will be the true color? That is the 3, 2, 1, that is the true color combination, and what is the false color combination? That is the 4, 3, 2. So I will go for true color composition, that is the natural color. So true color, what will happen? What is the main characteristics or application? That is, this is a natural color and band combination, because the visible bands has been used in this combination, that is visible to all. Features of earth surface appear as true color. Healthy vegetation appear as green. Current fallow fields appear as very light. Unhealthy vegetation appear as brown and yellow. Roads are grey, shorelines and white. And the band combination has the ability to provide the useful information about the water penetration and superior sedimentation and bathymetric information. It is also useful to urban studies. But there are some difficulties. What are the difficulties? It is not easy to locate the clear and sparsely vegetated area in the band combination like 451 and 432. The cloud and snow appear white, and so it is not easy to distinguish between the cloud and snow. Now it is very difficult to identify vegetation type in the combination of 451. 3-1 combination is unable to distinguish shallow water from the soil, but it is possible in the combination of 753. That is the Landsat TM data of Sikkim state. What would be the other band combination? The other band combination would be I can plot here 7 band combination, that is 5, 3, 1. From this combination you can betterly analyze the topographical texture. For different rock type analysis, you need to go for the band combination of 7, 3, 1. For agricultural studies, you need to go for 5, 4, 1. For flood area detection, you need to go for 3, 2, 1. And healthy vegetation analysis, you need to go for 5, 4, 3. Natural light condition, for natural light condition, you need to go for 7, 4, 2. And identify the moisture differences, use of different use of soil and moisture vegetation condition, identify of soil moisture and vegetation condition, you need to go for 5, 4, 3. Those are some references I have used for this analysis, and those are some useful link. You can go through this for better understanding.